How to fix Realme device sound problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if your Realme phone is having sound problems such as no sound during calls, media or notifications. So here's how you can fix it. First of all, check your volume labels. You have to press the volume up button and increase the volume. And ensure that your media, ringtone and alarm volumes are all up. So tap on this three dot and from here make sure that you have increased all of this volume right here, then tap on done. After you have done that, if that still does not help you, then if you have connected any of your Bluetooth device, disconnected it. Sound may be routed to your Bluetooth speaker or headset, so in that case make sure to disconnect all the paired devices. So to do that, you can simply scroll down your quick settings, tap and hold on this Bluetooth, that will take you to its settings, and from here you can disconnect your paired devices. And if that still does not help you, after that what you can do is you can check your settings. So tap on settings, tap on apps. So from here you have to search for that application that is having the issue with the sound. For example, if you're having problem with your Instagram sound, then tap on Instagram. Here scroll down, then tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed permissions for the microphone at the top. If the permission is not allowed, tap on it and make sure to allow the permissions for the applications where you're having problem on. And if that still does not help you, again clear the cache. Again, what you have to do is open up settings in your device, tap on apps, again search for that application that is having the sound problem. So for example, if you're having problem in your CapCut, then you have to tap on CapCut, then tap on clear cache. For that, head towards the storage and cache and here tap on clear cache. After that, restart your device and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart fixes your temporary glitches, so you can do that. And if that still does not help you, then you have to check for your software update. If you have any software updates, that may also be causing the problem. So to check that, again open up settings in your device, scroll down and then tap on system. Here tap on software update. If there is any update available, make sure to install the update. After that, restart your phone and your problem will be now solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.